Welcome to Maths for Graduates. Today we are going to find Laplace transform function divided by t. Okay, so let's start. If Laplace transform of f of t is f of s, then we have to find Laplace transform of f of t over t. Okay, and this equals to integration from s to infinity fu du. Okay, so let's find out. Now let us assume this function f of t over t is g of t. Okay, so f of t over t, this is g of t, and suppose Laplace transform of this function g of t is g of s. Okay, now from this equation f of t will be f of t, this equals to t g of t. Okay, now taking Laplace transform both sides. So on taking Laplace transform, we have Laplace transform of f of t, this equals to Laplace transform of t g of t. Okay, so in the previous video we have learned a formula. Using that formula, Laplace transform of t g of t will be minus 1 raised to power 1 differentiation of g of s. Okay, and Laplace transform f of t is f of s. Okay, so from this equation dg over ds, this equals to minus f of s. Okay, so on integrating we have g of s, this equals to minus integration from infinity to s function fu du. Okay, so when you change the order of the limit, this minus sign will get absorbed, so we get integration s to infinity fu du, and this equals to g of s. This g of s is what? This g of s is Laplace transform of g of t. Okay, so this equals to integration from s to infinity fu du. Okay, and this function g of t is this equals to f of t over t. Okay, so now we have Laplace transform of f of t over t, this equals to integration from s to infinity f of u du. Okay, and this is what we had to find. Okay, now let's find Laplace transform of function sin t over t using this formula. Okay, so when you compare this function sin t over t with ft over t, you will find in place of ft we have sin of t. Okay, so we know that Laplace transform of sin of t, this equals to 1 over s square plus 1. Okay, so now using this formula, Laplace transform of sin of t over t, this equals to integration from s to infinity 1 over u square plus 1 du. Okay, and integration of 1 over u square plus 1 is what? This equals to tan inverse u. Okay, and limit is from s to infinity. Okay, so when you put the limit, you will get pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. Okay, and this equals to cot inverse s. Okay, and I can also write this as tan inverse 1 over s. Okay, so this video ends here. If you have really learned something from this video, then show support by subscribing channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.